Here's a fast test for any vision. A great vision has 3 beneficiaries: your customers, your company, and your people. Most visions nail the first 2. We'll be the market leader. We'll deliver unrivaled value to our clients. Customers, tick. Company, tick. And then nothing for the people who actually have to deliver it. That's the fatal flaw, because here's what happens next. If your vision has nothing in it for your people, don't be surprised when they have nothing to do with it. They'll hear it, nod, and quietly file it under things that aren't about me. And a vision your people don't own is a vision your people won't carry. It fades, and what fades never gets achieved. So check yours. Customers, what do they gain? The company, what do we become? And your people, what's in it for them? 3 beneficiaries. Forget your people and you can forget your vision.